Komisi benta banyo dkhot apo ka export committee nak benta ban pej bnia hak bai day bat ka reservation policy ka Sorkar jala menta ka si kala thung yu chief secretary ka jala banwa dkhot jong ka export committee habai keramat kilap thai khobor hadian balawai ka jelang ka kunhun menteri u menteri rangba ka jala konrat ke sangma loi thu na pdeng chief secretary ka jala kala jedu ye wei dkhot nak nat law but wei nak nat personal banwa dkhot export committee na baro kiliang.
The state government has also, as per the notification that was put up an expert committee for the review of reservation policy. The government has decided that a chief secretary and one member from the law department and one member from the personnel department, a 3-member committee has been put up as a search committee to look for experts who will be able to then be part of this expert committee. It was recommended that this committee should be a 5-member committee and should have experts from different fields, as was mentioned in the notification. So we have asked them to do it as soon as they can. So the chief secretary headed committee is going to start their work immediately, and hopefully they'll be able to get the names to the government at the earliest.